The second Northeast Olympic Games began on the 7th of November 2022 with an advanced Under-21 football competition at the MFA Turf third ground, Polo, Shillong. The inaugural match under Group 2, which is the third fixture of the day, was played between Meghalaya and Sikkim. Dignitaries who witnessed the match included Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and MLA of Mawphlang Eugeneson Lyngdoh. Meghalaya was able to score 6 goals to 1 through Dignitaries, who scored a hat-trick at the 23rd, 32nd and 53rd minutes of the game. Substitute Wadajit Kansai, who managed 2 goals in the 3rd and 4th minute during extra time, and Orestarwell Langxiang, who scored a single in the 5th minute of extra time. Swarnim Gurung scored Sikkim's lone goal in the 66th minute into the game. The football competition has been organized to provide players enough rest time between matches. Prior to the start of the match, the players were fortunate enough to have been able to interact with the Indian international footballer and also present MLA of Mawphlang, Eugeneson Lyngdoh. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma presented the Man of the Match award to Dignitaries for his excellent performance during the game.
Yeah, it's the Northeast Olympics, in fact, is being hosted after quite some time, and this is only the second time that this has happened. The Northeast has a large number of athletes and sports persons who are longing for this kind of an opportunity and this kind of games to happen. So hence, we decided that Meghalaya will host the Northeast Olympics, and it was a big challenge because a lot of arrangements had to be made. But after doing all of this, finally we are here to witness the games taking place, and today we saw the football match taking place, and it was very exciting, of course, and we really look forward to the next few days where we will see other disciplines and other games happening, and we'll be having over 3,000 athletes who will be participating. And hence I would like to also urge the people of Meghalaya and Shillong especially to come out and cheer for your teams, come and cheer for the sports person that you like, and make these games exciting. This is also an opportunity for our sports people to really compete with some of the best in the region, and an opportunity for them to show their skills. So we would like to see that in the future also such games and such opportunities are made available to our youth, and we feel strongly that the youth of Northeast as a whole have a lot to offer in the sports arena, and it is through games like these that we will be able to give them the opportunity to excel in the games and the sports that they like.